So please introduce yourself first.
Okay, so this is Mithu Mato, and at this moment I'm talking to you from my village Mosinam. It is in the district of Purulia of West Bengal. If I talk about my qualification, I'm an arts graduate. After
Mm-hmm.
completion of my graduation, I used to work in the banking sector for more than 14 years in the sales department. And at this moment, I'm running my own tuition center at my village. So this is my brief introduction, you can say. Now I'll have to know about yourself a little bit.
Mm. I am Tanya and I am joining you from Rajasthan. I am a homemaker. If I talk about my studies, then I had done completed my master's degree, and recently I have started my YouTube channel. That's all about me.
Wow, wonderful.
Mm.
So, do you
So
have any topic? Would you like to speak on that topic or just random conversations like to do?
yes, I have a good topic. Not good topic. I will share some stories. If you
Mhm.
want, then I can do.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, go ahead, please.
Recently, I watched a web series. Name is IC 814 Kandahar Hijack.
Mhm.
It was a very good, web series. In that web series, we can see how the terrorists, make all the person hostages, and after that, they are demanding five terrorists. So it
Mhm.
was a good, and it was based on true incident, which was happened
Okay.
in 24 December 1999.
Mhm.
Yes, and they had taken that aeroplane in Kandahar. Have you heard this incident?
Not really.
Yes. Because I am very fond of watching good movies and good web series, so I can say it is a good web series. Everybody should watch this.
Yes, yes, yes. But
Yes.
in my case, I'm not have much time, free time, so that's the reason why I'm not able to watch such kind of thing. But definitely, those are watching, those are like giving time, and they are getting benefit because I have
Mm-hmm.
heard that if you watch English movies, so
Mm.
you can learn a lot of things. So. It depends on person, on a different person. No, have different mentality, different choices. But in my
Mm.
case, I listen most of the time. No, like lot of motivational speeches on YouTube. I listen
Mm-hmm.
so many podcasts and all these things.
This series is available in two languages, Hindi and English.
Okay.
Yes, so we can hear in English also. And after
Mm-hmm.
on the subtitle button, we can read the dialogues also.
Mm-hmm. So, are you working person or full-time homemaker at your
I am full-time
home?
homemaker. I am full-time homemaker.
Okay. And just in your free time, you come over here and connecting with different persons and running your YouTube channel, right?
Yes. And randomly I am doing conversation. I have never booked any conversation because mostly I am busy in some household chores.
Okay. So, how many sessions are you attending everyday basis?
Mostly I am doing one session, but sometimes I'm doing two sessions also.
Okay.
So do you
And
think
this.
newspaper is really useful or watching English content is really useful? What is best in your opinion?
Actually, it depends on the person choice. And yes, if I talk about myself, so sometimes I watch movie, but most of the time I watch podcast like motivational speeches I said earlier. And I read some books because I teach some students at my home. So I read their textbook and all. So I learn from there all these books a lot.
Okay. And you are working in banking sector.
I used to work in the banking sector long back, no? After that, after 14 years, I quit that job because it was quite demanding job, no? A target-based job. Each month you have to meet your target. So it was quite challenging, difficult. So finally, I quit that job. And at this moment, I'm happy with my present profession. I'm a private tutor, we can say. So I teach village students, they come to me and I teach them.
What are the main problems of target-based jobs?
Target based jobs, like you have to open 15 accounts in a month, and all accounts customers have to maintain 10,000 all the times in their account. 10,000 rupees have to maintain. If their amount is go down, then they have to pay charge 750 rupees. No, this was the condition at that point of time. I don't know. Maybe it has been changed a lot of things. Time to time, to all the terms and conditions are being changed. Different banks have different rules and regulations. So it was private bank. So that time, such kind of condition had. So a lot of government bank where you can open with 1,000 rupees or
Mm-hmm.
500 rupees, but
Mm-hmm.
very few customers are no like to open in private bank because they don't have much time. We used to go to the customer's house, we convince them, and all the form fill up and all, and we did that point of time, and they used to run their savings account. So that way I used to work. So
Mm.
it was quite difficult.
If you are not able to complete your target, okay, then if someone is completing their task, they are getting good incentive. If they
Yes,
are
yes,
not,
also. Mhm.
so what are the disadvantages?
Disadvantage means you have to listen a lot of things. No, if you month on month you won't be able to target, then they will create pressure. You should resign. You won't be able to work anymore. So such kind of things are happening.
They are holding your salaries also if you are not completing your target.
Yes, but they you like deduct some amount from your salary. It depends on
Mm.
your superior, no, your boss, what kind of your boss is. That is the main thing.
But I am observing nowadays in the private sector, there is,
Mhm.
every job is, target based job. You have to complete the target. After that, you can get your salary and your incentive also.
Yes, yes. Whenever you are achieving like more than your target, so definitely you will get incentive besides your salary. So that is also plus point. Within
Mm.
short period of time, you can increment. You will get increment, and also you may earn more money.
Do you think this kind of work culture is really very good for mental health?
Not according to my opinion, this is very
Mm-hmm.
difficult, no, because I used to work long time, no, 14 years. So just because of my financial problem, I used to work that period of time, but finally I
Mm.
decided that if I continue such way, so I will die very soon.
Mm. And I think it's a field job also. You have to visit
Mhm.
clients' home, offices also.
Yes, yes, lots of pressure, and you don't know who is agree to
Mm.
open savings account or not. Blindly, you have to search outside of the branch.
Mm. Yes. So it is a basic difference between the private job and government job.
Yes, in government sector, your job is 100% secure, and in private sector, maybe you are manager. Today you are manager, maybe you are not in the system tomorrow.
Mm. Yes. There is no job security in private sector.
Yes, yes. It's always challenging, no?
Hmm. But now you have quitted your job and now you are enjoying your teaching.
Yes, really, I'm very happy because I'm also learning a lot of things from my
Hmm.
students. Even just because of my present profession, I'm able to speak with other persons in this language. But I also run my YouTube channel, so
Hmm.
gradually I'm learning a lot of things from co-learners, and I'm happy with this, like with my present profession.
Hmm. Like you have told me now you are feeling very happy. So you can grow your earnings also. But in previous job you were not happy.
No, yes, yes, 100%. I was not happy, but yes, I have learned a lot of things: how to speak with the customers, how to handle the customers, how to convince. A lot of things I have learned.
Hmm.
Even it was difficult, but I have
Hmm.
learned a lot of things. What is going on inside of the branch? No, people
Hmm.
think a lot from outside. What is happening inside of the bank? But I knew what is happening.
Hmm. In previous job, there were a lot of pressure, but right now I can say you are the owner of your business because right now
Yes,
teaching
yes,
is business.
yes, definitely. And day by day, number of the students are increasing.
Hmm.
So I'm happy, and I am also hoping that maybe I will develop my own tuition center very soon.
Okay. So, do you have any question for me? Then you can ask. Otherwise, we will wind up this session.
Yes, let's wrap up our conversations later on. We will meet again. So it was really lovely talking to you. I also tried many times to connect with you. Fortunately, today you are free and we connected.
Mostly, I'm doing random conversation. Whenever I get time, I'm just posted my message. If someone is free, they can join me.
Mm. Okay. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
I also prefer.